India, and this side is Korea. Korean.
From Nagaland.
Nagaland. Now Nagaland is northeast state.
Yeah.
That's the ladies of Nagaland.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Also
I
call
don't
them
wanna waste
Nata.
what's left.
Seeing this
The storms we chase
From
don't feel
Arunachal
like
Pradesh.
there's different between about Korea.
That's Arunachal Pradesh now, another state.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Cannot even
From Manipur.
Manipur.
We'll go.
Yeah, Manipur is also northeast.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone, Northeast, Meghalaya, Shillong, all the people, Nagaland, Assam.
Delhi. Oh my guys, Gujarat.
No. Delhi, Maharashtra is not Northeast. First tell which state in Northeast do you know? Can you mention any state in Northeast?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is not Northeast. See, Northeast is like Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim,
Yeah.
Mizoram. Like, yeah, they are like 7. Okay. So anyway, we will be learning. Actually, guys, it's first time reacting
I
with me
need, I,
today.
need, I need to travel more.
So you don't know anything about Northeast. So today video we are going to, it's gonna be his first reaction with me. So we are reacting to Northeast Indian girls versus Korean girls. So actually people used to say that the Northeast ladies, they look like Korean.
Yeah.
So we are going to see and we'll see is that true or not. Okay? Yeah. So welcome.
My name is Don Davy.
Don't.
Or you can call me David, okay?
Yeah.
So today I'm live with you guys. Let's share the love. Much love from here. I've been seeing Gab's video. They have been very inspiring. So thank Gabs for inviting me for today. So let's hit it.
Yeah.
It's going to be massive. It's
Yeah,
going
it
to
is
be
his
great.
first time. David from Nigeria. This is Gabi, guys. So let's see the Indian Northeast girls versus Korean girls.
I have to wear my glasses.
Yeah, it's from Korea. So that side is India and this side is Korea. Korean girls.
From Nagaland.
Nagaland. Now Nagaland is northeast state.
Yeah.
That's the ladies of Nagaland.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Also
I
call
don't
them
wanna waste
Nata.
what's left.
Seeing this
The storms we chase
From
don't feel
Arunachal
like
Pradesh.
there's different between about Korea.
That's Arunachal Pradesh now, another
No,
state.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Cannot even
From Manipur.
Manipur.
We'll go.
Yeah, Manipur is also northeast.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
It's Manipur now. How do you think?
From Sikkim.
For all I've seen, I don't know if I can tell the difference. let's keep going.
They look similar.
They look similar.
See, see.
Bit different. Bit different. You can notice, yeah.
They look also stylish.
melodies we haven't played.
From Mizoram.
Mizoram.
I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls,
ones look like
fighting
China.
to create.
Yeah, they have that similarities of other foreign countries.
Miss a beat.
That's why they're comparing them with Koreans. So now we'll see. Maybe they will show Koreans maybe.
From Tripura.
Tripura.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I would like to see all before I choose.
I think you will forget the name of the state.
From Meghalaya.
But if I see someone that catch my eyes, I will remember.
I think the most cutest was from the first Nagaland. The first two states.
From Assam.
This is little. Yeah.
Sorry.
They are looking in Assam.
Talk of Pakistan. There's a lot of Pakistan.
Korean girls.
Let's go.
Let's see.
No, there's one of my friends that said he wants to travel to Korea because of the girls. Great.
And we'll grow in number.
They are similar to the very similarity.
Maybe only. Yeah, because Indian girls have this maturity.
We'll go.
Korea, they still look like us.
Guys, comment us below which you like most, Northeast Indian girls or Korean
Can we
girls.
put the house?
And as well as if you need part 3, then comment us part 3 on our comment section. And if you like our video, then hit the subscribe
Wait,
button
I just
and
want
press
to
the
see
bell icon
first
for
two
more
states.
notification.
Then
Thanks for
Then I
watching.
will know Nagaland, then followed by Arunachal Pradesh. Ah. Okay, so for me, from the like all the ladies from Northeast India, the one that have the most similarities to the Korean, the first two, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh.
yeah.
But Assam, Assam, they are not that much looking like they are Korean
They
or
have
the other
a touch of
foreigners.
Indian.
They can be, but maybe less compared to what I saw in Nagaland. They are really having same features, right?
Yeah,
Exactly. Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim also.
Yeah.
Meghalaya also, their ladies are beautiful, but less, but most from Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. So I think hope you got to know now few state
Indian,
of Northeast.
Northeast, Northeast Indian.
Yeah,
We have to
Northeast
travel
India.
more.
Yeah,
We have to travel more.
yeah. This
I think for as you say,
Uh.
Nagaland, the one.
is Nagaland one, right?
Yeah, the
Nagaland,
one because-
Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
But-
you cannot differentiate between them.
In general, what do you think about them?
The beauty.
Yeah, the beauty.
I think everybody is beautiful on their own specific ways.
Exactly. Yeah.
And everybody has their own type.
Yes.
Yeah, but
That's really true. That is why in every state in India,
Yeah.
you find them. They are looking different compared to other states. That is what make India unique because, and you find that they have different language, and it come which show that most of them they look also different and they are unique in their own way. Most of them they are beautiful guys. We saw it, but Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim won that.
they kill it.
Yeah, tell us guys, what do you think? Who look
More like the Koreans.
like the Koreans, guys? So thank you. Don't forget subscribe, guys. You can check more videos about Nagaland, Meghalaya, and other songs. Love
Hit
from
that
Africa.
subscribe button.